Hey everyone, I'm Marcus, and today we are glad to introduce the latest Raider GE Series, which is born for enthusiastic gamers. The new Raider GE Series comes with up to Intel's 12th generation Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti graphics, is designed with overkill power to deliver the most powerful performance of graphics. If you want to create a virtual world, your hardware performance will be your ultimate tool to create your metaverse. Raider GE Series is definitely meta-ready. We'll be going through different features of the laptop, including the design, I/O ports, benefits of the new CPU and GPU, Cooler Boost 5 MSI Overboost technology, GPU discrete mode and OC option, display options and matrix display, true color, RGB keyboard and Mystic Light with SteelSeries GG, and MSI Center new AI features. So without further ado, let's get started. If you are ready to fully express your gaming desires, the Raider GE Series will be your first choice. The body of the Raider GE 76 is built from a combination of aluminium and polycarbonate, but the lid is completely strapped in machined aluminium. The majority of the laptop is made of anodized aluminium with sturdy hinges and the vents constructed from plastic. As far as the choice of material goes, thick pieces of metal are used for the main deck and the lid cover, which feel firm and barely bulge even when pressed hard. With the Mystic Light RGB running through the metallic built chassis, the Raider GE brings the gaming vibes that will light up your glorious victory. Before we power on the system, let's look around the shape design and realize the combination of I/O ports. Guess how many ports the Raider GE 76 has? Beyond the expectation of a gaming laptop. Seriously, except for some older legacy ports like VGA and FireWire, if you need to plug something in, the Raider GE 76 has got you covered. Along the right side, you have a pair of USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports and an SD card reader slot, which supports the latest UHS Express transmission. Along the left side, you have a USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type A, a USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type C support display, and an audio combo jack, which supports high-resolution audio. In the rear, we have 3 video outputs, including a mini DisplayPort, a USB Type-C that supports Thunderbolt 4, and an HDMI supporting 8K 60Hz. The Intel Killer E3100 LAN and Wi-Fi 6E technology provides the internet speed that is higher than ever before, and it becomes more perfect if you have the latest high-level internet environment. The last one is the DC in port, which supports reverse insertion. Spec-wise, MSI offers the Raider GE 76 in a multitude of configurations. The highest one would be the Core i9 12900 HK features 14 cores and 20 threads. So, processor-intensive tasks like rendering video or live streaming, while also running multiple other apps in the background, are easy for this machine. Compared to the DDR4 3200, the DDR5 4800 is 50% faster. In addition, Raider GE Series provides the latest NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti and 3070 Ti laptop GPU for higher graphics performance, allowing it to deliver higher FPS in any games than the previous generation. The Raider GE Series is powered by Cooler Boost 5 thermal architecture, which consists of 2 fans and 6 heat pipes that decreases the CPU and GPU core temperature to provide the most stable yet high performance. Also, we can easily adjust the setting of fans to fulfill different usages and noise level in the User Scenario tab of MSI Center. If you are an advanced user, you can try the customized mode to define the fan speed for each level of temperature. When we talk about the performance, Raider GE sits right on top in the gaming industry. It has the most powerful Intel Core i9 and NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti with the GDDR6 16GB. But being a pioneer in performance laptops, MSI doesn't just stop there. Here comes the exclusive MSI Overboost technology to reach the new level of system performance. Accelerating through the competition and stress tests, The Raider GE 76 can deliver up to 175 watts plus 45 watts. That's an unprecedented 220 watts in total. For the GPU, our configuration gets the NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti laptop chip running at up to 175 watts with Dynamic Boost 2.0 in supported applications. The best part is that we don't just squeeze power from the CPU. It is solid extra power. It exceeds other laptop brands by 25 watts. That is 13% more, pushing through limitations and giving you even higher performance. As we mentioned, Raider GE Series adopts up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti graphics with the highest power design in the market. The default Optimum's graphic design is focused to extend battery life of the laptop. With MSI's exclusive discrete graphics mode, we can fully release the graphics power and give you the highest possible performance. We can easily switch the GPU working mode by clicking the option in the MSI Center, changing the signal transmission directly from discrete GPU after the system reboots. The next part is about the fantastic RGB illumination. The per-key RGB illumination carries over from the previous generations, with the evenly bright LEDs, good uniformity, and almost no light creeping out from under the keycaps. This design includes a physical caps lock indicator, and MSI laptops also offer the neat trick that only lights up the available functions when you press the function key. Besides the per-key RGB keyboard, there's an RGB panoramic Aurora lighting RGB light bar below the trackpad with 30 lighting zones, which means you're able to come up with all kinds of fun color combinations. We can customize both the bar and the keyboard light through the engine function in SteelSeries GG software, which also provides macro key function and other applications. MSI also sets up the 9 preset profiles to quickly apply different keyboard lighting by pressing function plus 1 to 9 if you want to save time from learning. The Raider GE Series is looking forward to delivering a hyper-smooth gaming and viewing experience. So we have the fastest gaming display of different resolutions, which includes the UHD 120Hz, QHD 240Hz, and Full HD 360Hz displays. Since Raider GE Series supports 1+3 matrix display, we will never miss the matrix gaming experience. You can plug 3 monitors into the HDMI port, mini display port, and USB Type-C port. If you have 4 external monitors, Raider GE Series could even support 0+4 matrix display. MSI laptops come standard with the exclusive MSI AI engine that is capable of providing whole new intelligent features. MSI Smart Auto helps the laptop activity feel the scenarios instead of asking users to manually choose the usage modes. The intelligent system will automatically adjust the best settings in order to create a deeper connection with the scenarios. Sometimes you won't know what you really need, but our intelligent technology will always have your back and lead you on the right path. Another new feature is the ambient silent AI, which defines what silent means in a relative way. The background noise you feel in a coffee shop and in an office is different. In a coffee shop, the background noise could be above 45 decibels, whereas office noise could be just as much as 30 decibels. Ambient Silent AI will actively detect the surrounding noise level and raise fan speed accordingly in order to provide higher performance for your usage. Remember to update your MSI Center to the latest version to get these functions. The Raider GE Series, which represents the concept of super light speed and MSI continuously evolving, will lead gamers to explore the unknown universe. I hope the sharing today is useful, and thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Shit. It's designed with to deliver the most series GG